Hi everyone, welcome to Math 150 College Algebra. Today we will do some example for section 4.3 about properties of logarithms. Number 1, use properties of logarithms to expand the logarithmic expression as much as possible. Where possible, evaluate logarithmic expression without using a calculator. Number 1, yeah, logarithm of 13 times 7 with base 9. Okay, this is the product rule. Okay, since 13 times 7 is product rule. So I can write down the product rule first. Okay, so now let B, M, and N be positive real numbers with B not equal 1. Okay, so we can write down. So logarithm of M times N with base B, okay, equal logarithm of M with base B plus logarithm of N with base B. Okay, so we use this one. Okay, so now the problem is logarithm of 13 times 7 with base 9. Okay, so you can write down over here. So the answer is logarithm of 13 with base 9 plus logarithm of 7 with base 9. Okay, so this just the answer. It's not hard. Okay, now number 2. Sorry, my nose, my allergy is so bad. So number 2, use the properties of logarithms to expand its logarithmic expression as much as possible. Evaluate logarithmic expression without using a calculator if possible. This is a quotient here, fraction here, so we use the quotient rule. Okay, the logarithm of a quotient is the difference of the logarithm. Okay, so I just write down here. Logarithm of m divided by n with base b. So we can write down logarithm of m with base b minus logarithm of n with base b. Okay, so our problem, yeah, logarithm of 13 over y with base 13. Okay, just copy the formula. Okay, so logarithm of 13 with base 13 minus logarithm y with base 13. Okay, so remember the rule before the general property. Okay, so logarithm of b with base b equal 1. Okay, so this is the same here. This is the same with logarithm of 13 with base 13, right? So this is you can write down with equal 1 minus logarithm of y with base 13. Okay, number 3. So the same here, number 3 is quotient rule. Just write down again the formula. Logarithm of m divided by n with base b equal logarithm of m with base b minus logarithm of n with base b. Okay, our problem is logarithm of 256 divided by y with base 4 is equal logarithm of 256 with base 4 minus logarithm of y with base 4. Okay, so now we need to change 256. Look at again over here. The base is 4, yeah? So try to find 4 for the exponent to get 256. Okay, so we get 4 to the 4 equal 256. Okay, so we can write down, we change 256 with 4 to the 4th. Okay, so equal logarithm 4 to the 4th with base 4 minus logarithm of y with base 4. Okay, now remember again about the general property. So logarithm b to the x with base b equal x. Yeah, remember this one, don't forget. Yeah, so for this one we can write down is 4. Yeah, so the answer is equal 4 minus logarithm of y with base 4. This for number 3. So now number 4. Okay, natural log. Okay, we can use logarithm product or quotient. Okay, so for this discussions, we're gonna use the logarithm product. Okay, quotient. Okay, so now I just write down again the formula here: logarithm of m divided by n with base b. So we can write down equal logarithm of n with base b minus logarithm of n with base b. So we're gonna use this one. Okay. So now our problem is natural log of e to the fifth over 17. Okay. Now this is the same. Just use the follow the logarithm product. Yeah. So now it's become natural log e to the fifth minus natural log 17. Okay. For this one, you can remember about this one. Natural log e to the x. The answer is x. Okay, so we have to know this one. So it means x here. So for this one, it's equal 5 here. So the answer is natural log e to the fifth. The answer is 5 minus natural log 17. Okay, number 5. This is natural log x cubed with base b. So this is the power rule. Yeah, this is the power rule. So I just write down the product the power rule. Okay, sorry. Let m and b, yeah, let b and m be positive real number. Okay, with b not equal 1 and let p be any real number. Okay, so I can write down. So logarithm m to the p with base b. So we can write down become p time logarithm of m with base b. Okay, so now our problem, okay, logarithm of x cubed with base b. Okay, so you can write down equal 3, yeah, logarithm of x with base b. You just change, yeah, just follow this one, p, yeah, follow this one, yeah. So just move to the front. Okay. Now go to number 6. Use property of logarithms to expand each logarithmic expression as much as possible. Evaluate logarithmic expression without using a calculator if possible. Now for this one, use the power rule again. Okay, the power rule again. So I just write down again the power rule. Yeah. So logarithm of m to the p with base p equal p times logarithm of m with base b. Okay. So now our problem is natural log 7 root x. Okay. Remember, it's just over here. So we can write down become x to the half cube root. You can write down x 1 over 3. 7 is the same. Yes, so root 7. Yeah. So we can write down x to 1 over 7. So for this one, just change. Yeah. Become natural logs x to the 1 over 7. So we can write down become 1 over 7 times natural logs x. Okay. It's not hard, yeah? Okay, let's go to number 7. Same, yeah. I just go directly, yeah. I don't need to write down the formula because this is x to the fifth times 5. So use product rule, yeah. So use product rule. So I just write down again the problem logarithm of x to the fifth times y with base b. Remember, the product is mean you add, yeah, sum, yeah. So now I just write down equal logarithm of x to the fifth with base b plus logarithm of 7 with base b. Okay. Now again, remember the power, yeah, power rule, yeah, x to the fifth. So we can write down become, and this is 5, yeah. So put 5 times logarithm of x with base b plus logarithm of y with base b. So this is the answer. Number 7, yeah? So now go to number 8. So quotient. This is quotient, yeah? Remember, use the quotient. Quotient is minus, yeah? So now I just write down the problem. So logarithm of 9 over x plus 6 with base 3. Okay, so you can write down logarithm of 9 with base 3 minus logarithm of square root x plus 6 with base 3. Okay, now the base is 3. Okay, so the base 3 we need 9. So what the exponent over here? So become 3 squared equal 9, yeah? So we check 9 with 3 squared. Okay, so now equal logarithm of 3 squared with base 3, okay, plus logarithm of this one, square root. Yeah, so square root x plus 6. You can write down x plus 6 the power of half. Yeah, so just check now. Become x plus 6 to the half with base 3. Okay, now use the power rule. Yeah, power rule, yeah, equal 3, okay, time logarithm of 3 with base 3 plus, okay, a half times logarithm of x plus 6 with base 3. Oh, this is minus, yeah? This is minus, I'm sorry. I make a mistake. Just erase this one. This is minus, yeah? Not plus. It's minus, yeah? Okay. Because this is minus. Okay? My bad. I'm sorry. So now, go to the next one. And this is same, yeah? Caution. So I just write down again. So problem logarithm of x squared times y over z squared with base b. Okay, so we can write down logarithm of x squared times y with base b minus logarithm of z squared with base b. Okay, for this one is product, yeah? This product, I just use the parentheses. This is x squared times y. So it means sum, yeah? So now we can write down for this one equal logarithm of x squared with base b plus logarithm of y with base b minus, be careful with this one, is power, yeah? So I can write down 2 times logarithm of z with base b. Okay, so now what next? Oh, I still have power over there. Yeah, I still have power over here. That's right. So equal 2 times logarithm of x with base b plus logarithm of y with base b minus 2 logarithm of z with base b. Okay, it looks like hard, but it's not. Okay, just remember about this is product or quotient or power. Okay, now go to the next one. So number 10, yeah, change color. Same, yeah. This is quotient. This quotient, a power, product, everything over there. Okay, so now I just write that is natural log. Okay, x to the 6 times x squared plus 4 over x plus 4 to the 9, yeah? Okay, so now, so natural log, yeah, x to the 6 times x squared plus 4 minus natural log of x plus 4 to the 9, yeah? So now, after this, there is a product over there, yeah? So this is product, right? I just use the x to the 6 times square root x squared plus 4, yeah? It's product, yeah? So I just write down again, equal natural log x to the 6 plus natural log square root x squared plus 4, okay? Minus, remember this is power, yeah? Okay, so we can write that down. It's just become 9, okay, times natural log x plus 4. Again, check by one, yeah, check one by one, yeah. This is 6, yeah, power, yeah. So become, uh, just color equal 6, yeah, times natural log x plus natural log square root. What do we have to do? Change, yeah. So x squared plus 4 to the half. Okay, so minus 9 natural logs x plus 4. Okay, So now go to the next one. Add space. Okay. Now equal. Answer is 6 natural x plus power ya. Just write down a half ya natural logs x squared plus 4 minus 9 natural log x plus 4. Okay. It look like it's hard, but just remember about the rule. Yeah. The first quotient rule, product rule, and power rule. Okay. So we can continue to number 11. So can be good. Okay. Now logarithm 5 plus logarithm 2. Okay, so it means this is the product rule because sum become product. Just write down again product rule, yeah. So logarithm of m with base b plus logarithm of n with base b equal logarithm of m times n with base b. Okay, so our problem is logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 2. So the answer becomes logarithm 5 times 2. So equal logarithm 10. Okay. If the base shown over here is mean, this is mean, this is 10, this is 10 with base 10, yeah? Okay. So now the answer becomes 1. Okay. Now number 12. This is subtraction. Subtraction is mean quotient. Yeah. Just write down again over here the formula. Yeah. So logarithm of m with base b minus logarithm of n with base b equal logarithm m over n with base b. Okay. So our problem now is logarithm of 36 with base 3 minus logarithm of 4 with base 3. Okay, so we can write down become logarithm 36 divided by 4 with base 3. Okay, so equal logarithm of 9 with base 3. Change 9 because base is 3. Change 9 become 3 square. Right? So now we can write down equal logarithm of 3 square with base 3. So the answer is 2. Yeah, the answer is 2. Okay, number 13. So this is the same. Okay, just go directly. Yeah? So now let's write down the problem. 1 over 8 natural log y plus natural log z. Okay, this is power. Yeah, so you can write down become so natural log y to the 1 over 8. Okay, so plus natural log z. Okay, so now plus, what do we need? Plus is mean product. Yeah, it mean plus is product. So you can write down become natural logs y to the 1 over 8 times z. Okay, so remember 1 over 8, the exponent change become natural logs times square 8 root y times z. Or can better is write down like this, natural log z times 8 root y. Okay, so number 13. Okay, number 14. Okay, just go directly, yeah? So, 4, oh, excuse me, I forget the ink. So, 4 times natural log x plus 6 minus 3 natural log x. Okay, this is power, yeah? This is power, yeah? So, change first, yeah? So, equal natural log x plus 6 to the fourth minus natural log x cubed. That's right. Remember, this is subtract now. It's mean quotient. Yeah. So it's mean I can write down become natural log x plus 6 to the fourth over x cubed. Here we go. Yeah. That's hot, yeah? Okay. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.